Hi guys, let's watch some dog vibes. Okay, good vibes. So, here it is. Dog gets angry at his own hiccups. Alright, na galit sa kanyang sariling sinok. Okay, let's watch this cute puppy. Oh, oh. Again, again. Oh, oh. Oh, cute. Okay, that's all. Thank you for watching.